Hello, I'm Alex Evans, Director of Technology for the Colusa County Office of Education, and today we're out at the old Pirelli cabling plant and we're going to mount some additional equipment. So if you look right up here, this is our existing equipment that we have for part of the Colusa Unified School District EduNet. This is on the right side of the light is a point-to-point connection that uplinks to Colusa High School, and that's where we get our backhaul. And we're taking all that, running it to an equipment inside Pirelli, and then connecting back to the EduNet radio and antenna right here. And so this allows us to have a presence on top of this big tanker. But today, what we're in the process of doing is we have our cabling guy out, and he's going to go up there and mount some equipment just on the other side of the antenna. And we're going to point it over to a brand new telephone pole that was installed over by the golf course. And what that's going to do is we're going to extend our backhaul from this tanker all the way over to the telephone pole, and that we're going to then add another radio and antenna on top of the telephone pole and aim that to the south, getting a lot of families out in the southern area of Colusa that don't have access to internet. So that we'll be recapping some of that tomorrow, and it will definitely have more coverage of it. We'll have a boom lift out and whatnot. But today is just kind of laying the groundwork and the foundation for everything so that we can do what we need to do tomorrow. So looking forward to talking to you then. Have a good one.